Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. In today's new welcome video guys, I will actually show you how affiliate marketing work and how we are going to use an affiliate program and actually promote it and actually make a cash in 30 days guys. It's a new plan. So actually, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Online Hustle YT channel on YouTube for more videos that is teaching you how to make money online. So hit that subscribe button. Let's move to the video. So the very first thing you're gonna need guys, and go to Google and brainstorm yourself and be asking yourself, so right now let's see, we are focusing on niche that making money online, etc. niche. So the purpose of this video and for what I like now, I'm going for the email marketing niche guys. So now if we are going to actually promote the email marketing services that they provide, so we are going to Google and search for this email marketing softwares and click on enter. So actually, as you can see there are a bunch of search results that Google actually gave us. So let's go into these ones and see the one that are better. So actually, let's click on this one and see what they bring us. So they say seven best email services for small businesses in 2022. Actually, you can see there are a bunch of email marketing. You can see this one is content constant contact, so I don't like to use it now. So there is sending blue and etc. You can go and use it, and there is hotspot and etc. So for the purpose of this video guys, I've already found my own. I have searched on it, but there are a lot of there are a lot of search results that you can be able to go. So the what I found, or the what we are going to use for this tutorial guys, is what I call GetResponse. GetResponse is one of the best email marketing software. As you can see, they say email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, and e-commerce. And the very guys nice thing I like about is they can give you up to 30 days free trial, so that you can start whenever you feel so good on it, you can be able to continue using it. And actually I have found a very good pricing for it. It's no much. So let's click on pricing. So as you can see, there are a lot of features that this software actually gives. So as you can see, here are the first prices for everyone. There are not much. You can start for free, up to 500 content you can actually put in, and there are $15 one and 48 one and 97 one. So actually, after you find the best software that you are going to promote, so actually go down to the software and actually click on what they say affiliate program. So once you click on affiliate program, they're gonna actually pop up like this. They say get paid when you refer client to the GetResponse. So actually, if you are here, you can see how the affiliate program will look like. So you can, and there are two types of affiliate that they offer. So the first one is actually, which is bouncy program on the recurring commission. That means once you bring one people that pays through your link, you are gonna make a sales. So like for instance, when I refer someone, just one person that actually pay uh like for uh premium one, so I'm gonna get 100 US dollars for one person, and it is not is one time fee. So if you see recurrent commission, that means you're gonna get that 3% of any uh sales you make monthly. So as for this, I will actually uh you can go with anyone you like. So let's move to the next step. So let's for instance say you find, or actually say you get your affiliate link. So let me go through on actually how to sign up, or let's say I'm going for this one. So let's click on sign up. So boom, as you can see, the what they are going to show you, fill in your last name, uh first name and last name, password, country of residential, phone number, website, and etc. So and click on I'm not a robot and click on create an account. So once they approve you, you are gonna see your dashboard like this and etc. So here is your apply link, so you just copy it and go to URL shortener and actually for me I'm using this URL shortener because I like it, so I will paste it and shorten. So actually boom, as you can see they just shot my link, so I just copied then done. So now it's come to the hard part. So for you guys, if you guys learn some value in this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let's move to the video. So the best traffic, or the one of the best traffic sources that we are going to use is called Tumblr. As some of you guys know Tumblr and some of you doesn't know it, but actually Tumblr is one of the biggest social media that has a lot of views. Let's click on SimilarWeb and see how many traffic it gets almost monthly. So as you can see, global rank, it rank about 100 for the global rank and has over 287 million views per month. So that's one of the popular websites here, social media. So what we are going to do right now, so pay attention guys to hear the what I'm going to show you. So click on text, and now what we are going to do is we are going to write a review of this get response about the feature and the solution, pricing, support, and etc. So that whenever someone is going to Tumblr and say like let's see, let me click on go back and search for best email marketing services for free. So let's click on enter. So when someone or people search on this keyword, your article go rank on, cause Tumblr has a very high good ranking ability guys. You can see the other are getting a massive value, massive search result, and etc. So you are going to brainstorm and actually go into the website, getting exposed website, and actually look on what people are liking or searching on other websites. Or if you don't want to waste your time, I will actually recommend you to go to Google and search for get response review. When you search it guys, just click on it. So now if you can see this article, you can just be able to copy anything in it and click on C and go to website that say I forget their name, but let me click on it. Here is it, Spinbot. You can be able to actually change the text that you just copy. Let's say for instance I control V to paste, and we are searching the prison. So boom, as you can see they just text off. So now I'm gonna go to where they say Tumblr and actually click on this pen here and click on the text. So boom, when I click the text it's gonna pop up like this. So I will just paste the what I've been actually copy from the Creambot, and actually here is the how it works. So we are gonna title our review. So I will say get response review 2022. So actually when someone search on this keyword get response review 2022 on Tumblr, we are gonna rank and our article will pop up. So Now what's next for us to do is actually copy our affiliate link, and whenever we see this keyword get response, and actually shorten it with the link we just copied. Oh sorry, I'm gonna go back to my link shortener, and I think that is the link, and I'm gonna copy it. So I'll go back to my article on uh, Tumblr and click on done. So now whenever someone click this link, it's gonna actually go to our affiliate link. So here is actually how to write a review and rank on Google. So the next, or I should say the next step on actually how to get best free traffic and a quality traffic is actually Quora. As we all know guys, know what Quora is all about and etc. And you know, Quora is one of the biggest platform that affiliate marketer use to rank on Google and etc. on search results. So for instance, let someone search on best email marketing software. So and search for an enter. As you can see, a lot of results they're gonna pop up, and whenever someone click on it, some they put the link. So let me give you an example. Let me create and pin, because I have already have a pin. So let's see, I'm gonna give an example with it. So let me click on drag picture. So let me go to download, and let's see, I'm gonna use this one or this one. So as you can see, our pic just pop up. So we are gonna see best uh, email marketing services. So I make message, let me press on it. So boom, as you can see, I will see this article I will give you a review on how to get best email marketing services for free. For more information, click the link in the click the link below. So actually when I put the link, they are gonna, so let's add our alter text. Let's see, email marketing, and let's put our affiliate link. So boom, as you can see, we are just publishing our pin, so that whenever someone click on it, they are going to our affiliate, straight to our affiliate link for get response. So that when they click an account and purchase, we'll get a 100 worth of dollar right now guys. So here is actually how to do the affiliate marketing on the internet. This is just one of the easiest way I know I learn, and I make money with it, doing affiliate marketing. So guys, you can go and try. So the only thing that needs for you guys, just take an action, just take an action. So please, if you find a massive value on our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more videos like this. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel for more updates guys on how to make money online guys. So catch up in the next video for more videos like this.